So could you tell us a little bit about where you're from?
And fundamentally recognize the danger that it presents to the Republic.
We know each other for a long, long time.
877-772-1776.
Something drastic to show that we care and that we are going to stay and fight for our future.
It plays the fascist playbook. People began saying, oh, he's an outsider.
You'll all be really upset.
Maybe we can give people one shot and that will confer some protection.
I tried to help. I tried to get this guy reined
I
in.
was working an average of 12 hours a day, and at the end of the month, I was just turning my money.
Our anger is never as righteous as we believe it to be. God cannot be holy and fail to punish sin. He cannot love his own glory without hating sin.
Don't let your dreams remain trapped in the recesses of your imagination.
Oh, we're helping low-income workers to make ends meet, basically.
Let's return to making money last. Your local volunteer fire department desperately needs your help.
These may be uncertain times, but what is certain is that every family needs a reliable thermometer.
Oreos concocted a strawberry frosted donut flavor. It's coming in March. It will be a limited edition. It'll have a double layer of pink flavor, strawberry cream, and sprinkles.
And said, we cured blindness, at least in mice, and my wife told me to go empty the dishwasher.
We're living in a day in which the wrath of God is routinely denied.
Is there any way to do that? No.
So does this statement that I'm saying make sense?